Hey there, Brian with Cassius Design Build, talking to you today about TimberTech's new multi-width decking. Till now, composite decking came in one size, 5.5 inches. That's this guy. And TimberTech has added two new sizes, 3.5 and 7.25, which I think gives a kind of a cool look. It adds a little bit of variation to it. So I'm trying it out on this project that we're working on right now. A couple things you need to know about is, first of all, if you want to do a hidden clip system with the groove, this guy, the 5.5 inch board, is the only one that comes grooved. The new boards do not. So in order to use a hidden clip system, the traditional one anyway, you've got to router a groove into the board in order to use the clip system. So our man Rob came up with a jig to do that, and here's what that looks like. Something else you need to know. We like to use, and we know we're going to get in trouble for this, TimberTech's clips for our TimberTech decking. And here's why. When we install the decking, it's highly affected by temperature. So when it gets hot like it is today, it's going to be in the mid-90s, it expands a bunch. And then overnight when it cools down, it contracts. So you want something that allows the deck board to move around a little bit. Another reason is when Rob puts the decking down, he doesn't tighten it all the way, which allows him to adjust the decking in order to get a nice straight line, to get the reveals dialed in after the board is kind of moved and done its thing, and he can establish where it's going to be. He goes out and with a Wonder Bar and straightens it out, and then it's set. Tightens down the clips after that, and it's good to go. To see more tips from Rob on composite deck installation, click here.